Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you're watching this. It's Mr. Gum and the Secret Hideout, Chapter 11, Part 1. Mr. Gum gets a surprise. It's the 10 rules of evil, it's the 10 rules of evil, them amazing, amazing 10 rules of evil, sang Mr. Gum and Billy as they unloaded another barrel of putrid meat onto the furnace. And you just won't believe all the tricks we're out to play. What a laugh it all is, Billy, me old air polluter, grinned Mr. Gum. He was covered in grease and shards of bone, and his beard was singed and blackened, but none of that mattered to him now. All of his wicked thoughts were on the destruction of Lamanick Bibber, and he had never wanted anything so badly in all of his bad life. I never wanted anything so badly in all me bad life, roared Mr. Gum, as he sloshed a heap of tripe onto the flames. I can hardly even breathe this air. But who even cares? Yeah, and who'd have even thought we was hiding out in Finnegan's sherry factory, what is on the edge of town, miles away from anyone? Laughed Billy William III through a mouthful of entrails. No one will ever find us here. Well, that's just where you're wrong again, said a voice behind them. And wheeling round, Mr. Gum and Billy were confronted with the sight they hated most of all. Heroes coming to save the day, because perched on the rim of a massive vat of bubbling hot sherry were Polly, Friday, Alan Taylor, Old Granny, and a special bonus of Jake the Whopper dog, who they'd picked up along the way. Department of Clouds and Yogurts, chorused the heroes. What? Chorused Jake, even though technically you can't really chorus on your own. And then the heroes did this really cool thing of standing on each other's shoulders in an amazing human and dog pyramid, which was an idea Friday had come up with on the ride over. And they'd done it with hardly any practice. You're under arrests, cried Polly from the top. This time you've gone too far, Mr. Gum, you unpleasant vine, and I am not very impressed with you neither, Billy William III. You meddlers, screamed Mr. Gum. The blibbing blib did you find us? You blibbing blibberers. Mr. Gum, you have gone done been careless. That is what, said Polly, in her least grammatical phrase so far in the story. And she pointed to where a few hooves and entrails floated in the vat of hot bubbling sherry. You muncher, roared Mr. Gum, turning furiously towards Billy. You've been dropping meat in the sherry. Now you've ruined everything. I should have known better than to choose a butcher. Never, protested Billy as he dodged a kick from Mr. Gum's hard hobnail boot. Never. Shabber me whiskers, scowled Mr. Gum, turning away in disgust. Well, come on then, he shouted to Polly and her friends. Come down here, I dare ya. Well, true heroes like the brave men, women, dogs and gingerbread biscuits of the Department of Clouds and Yogurts do not hesitate in the face of fear. For as their motto goes, and now Polly jumped down off the vat, and her brave colleagues jumped down behind her, and soon the air was full of punches and smoke and heat and frying bacon as the final battle began. Okay, and in the next reading we will do the second part of chapter 11, which details the fight. See you soon, everyone. Bye.